Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In this short video, we will be discussing about the Sunni and Shia law regarding divorce, talaq. So, what is the main difference between Sunni law and Shia law regarding talaq or divorce? Basically, in Shia law, divorce is not easily given. It is very difficult to get divorce in Shia law because they think that the men or the male should not be so frequent or regular in divorcing their wives. So, it's a taboo there. But in Sunnis, divorce can be taken easily as compared to Shias because in Sunnis, even divorce pronounced during intoxication or even in a jest or in a playful mood, that pronouncement is also taken to be serious and it is valid divorce. In Sunnis, intention is not necessary. Whether the husband wanted or intended to divorce his wife or not, that is not necessary. The main importance is given to the actual words pronounced by him. If the words are clear and they are heard by the wife, in front of the wife, or even the wife's presence is also not very important. But the thing is that he has said those words, and expressly he has said that whether by written or through orally, and that's it. That is, divorce is there. It is totally valid divorce. Whether he is having intention to divorce his wife or not, that's not the main consideration in Sunnis. But in Shias, intention is the only thing. You may be as clear as you may be through your words, but if you set the formula of divorce only in a playful way or a playful mood or in a joke or in a jest, that is not valid in Shia law. A husband has to have some intention to divorce his wife. If the intention is lacking, that divorce is not valid in Shia law. And one thing more, in Sunnis, talaq may be offered in writing, but in Shias, talaq cannot be offered in writing because they think that if the husband is totally able, he is bodily well, he can speak, he is not deaf and dumb, he can pronounce talaq orally. There is no need of talaq nama or written divorce. But in Sunnis, written divorce is prevalent. Then one more difference is that in Sunnis, during the time of divorce, no witnesses are required. In marriage proposal, during the marriage time, two witnesses are required in Sunnis. But during divorce time, when there is divorce, there is no need of any witness in Sunnis. But in Shias, during talaq, at least two male witnesses should be present. Shias are totally opposite to Sunnis as regards this witnesses. In Shias, at least two witnesses should be there during the pronouncement of talaq, but in Sunnis, there is no need of witnesses. But during marriage time, Sunnis and Shias are totally opposite. Same. In during marriage time, the Sunnis require two witnesses, two male witnesses, or either one male or two female. But Shias do not require any witnesses during marriage proposal when the husband proposes his wife. So basically, it's a contract. Muslim marriage is basically a contract. The offer is given by the husband to the wife. So this is the thing. In Shia, intention is very important. The husband must be having the intention to divorce his wife. If the intention is lacking, there is no divorce. The words may be as clear as they are. But if the husband doesn't have the real intention to divorce his wife, that divorce is not valid. If he pronounces divorce in intoxication or he is having some drug and he pronounces some divorce or through compulsion or in a joke or in a prank or just to amuse his relatives, he said divorce to his wife, that is not valid divorce in Shias. But in Sunnis, it is totally valid. In Sunnis, if he just says divorce in a joke or in a prank or just to amuse the other people, then also it is totally valid divorce. Or even in a slip of tongue, he says divorce. It's totally valid divorce. But in Shias, no. You have to have intention to divorce your wife. So intention is very important in Shias, But in Sunnis, intention is not important. Actual words, what he say, is they totally clear. This is the only thing in Sunnis. So not much importance is given to intention in Sunnis. Only importance is given to the actual words spoken by the husband or written. So this is the thing. This was the main difference between Sunnis and Shias regarding divorce. So in the next lecture, we will be discussing some important point regarding Muslim law. Very important. Muslim law is very important as far as the judiciary is concerned. So please take note of it. Thank you very much.